Now another brand new event here at 4 Wheel Drive TV from the Rocks in northern New South Wales, the Superior Engineering Pro Truck Challenge.
Permanently wins 25 years and separate bends. From the spoil like a land to the east, to the carnage of a barbecue fixed in southeast. Only never let the road catch control me. Only for life, mortgage and wife. No splice, just a 40 and a 6-pack of white types. This is your life.
The event's just a 2-day event. Idea is to get as much done on the Saturday as we can and follow it up with a couple of courses on the Sunday and finish around lunchtime so everyone can get home again. Well, I guess the idea for this event is nothing that's particularly new. It's something that we've been doing for years. We've been competing under the XRCC format with these type of vehicles for a couple of years now. My first event in that competition was back in 2005. Since then they've introduced more buggies and that sort of thing, and we thought we'd have this event and get back to the roots of where we all started. It's probably taken the last week or two, that's about it, because this was just an event that we saw a need for in light of another event being cancelled, and it was a last minute thing, and we thought we can do this, we can throw an event together. So about 2 weeks of planning, and thankfully the sponsor kicked in and helped us organise trophies and that sort of thing, and we just told the guys when we're going to be and what date, and just turn up and we'll have a drive. The terrain is based on rock crawling style events. Traditionally all rock crawling has been done in the full-bodied modified vehicles. Lately everything's gone to buggies. There's still all those old trucks out there that need a place to compete, and hence why we held this event. We had some basic restrictions on the vehicles. They required things like lockers, aggressive tyres, a lot of safety requirements such as roll cages, harnesses, extinguishers, all those sort of standard type things for competition vehicles. But all the vehicles need to be based around a standard vehicle format, so we needed basically an OEM dimensionally correct chassis close enough to full-bodied width. And I mean, a lot of these cars have limited amount of panels and that sort of thing, but they've all still got limitations of being based around a full-bodied vehicle. We're trying to promote this event as an event that a beginner could turn up to. So the courses will be difficult in that manoeuvring and getting the right line for a particular obstacle is going to be difficult. Not particularly going to be that damaging on vehicles. Like, we don't want to see too many breakages. No one really wants to see breakages at the end of the day. But we're not here to push the vehicles as much as we're here to push the spotters and the drivers and really push them, make them think about what they're doing, where they're getting their car into, what sort of situations, and try and get through with the minimum amount of penalties along the way, as well as completing the course.
Let's now get back on the rocks with the Superior Pro Truck Challenge.
The rules follow the basic rock crawling format, based loosely around the XRCC and We Rock rules combined. You have 10 points for a cone, 2 points for a progression, 20 points for a DNF, and that's pretty much it. No stopping penalties. We like to keep it flowing. No need to break stuff for no reason. The tracks were really good. They held up fairly well, seeing we got 104 millimetres of rain. The problem was making them easier with all the amount of rain. But no, the guys really got tested. We had them twisted up and tweaked over, and they still came back for more, so it worked out really well. Third place in the little turbo Suzuki got Rhett on 53 points. Second place in the little Suzuki on 35s, Steve on 39. And first place, Michael, in the GQ Nissan on 32 points. With the feedback we got from the guys, they're all pretty keen to start another one early next year. And more information can either be found at teamdgr.com or early in the year, Rover Park would be the next place to find it.